Welcome to the enchanting world of moss, a plant that blankets the earth in a lush green, playing a surprisingly crucial role in our ecosystems.
There are over 12,000 species of moss around the world, each adapted to survive in diverse habitats, from swamps to deserts.
Contrary to popular belief, mosses are not primitive plants but have been evolving for over 450 million years.
Unlike other plants, mosses do not have roots. They absorb water and nutrients directly through their leaves.
Mosses play a key role in preventing soil erosion by stabilizing surfaces with their dense growth.
These tiny plants can absorb huge amounts of water, acting like sponges in their ecosystems, which helps to control floods.
Mosses are among the first plants to grow in devastated areas, paving the way for the regrowth of ecosystems.
In urban environments, moss gardens are gaining popularity for their aesthetic appeal and low maintenance requirements.
Moss photosynthesis can occur at temperatures just above freezing, making them critical players in the carbon cycle during winter months.
Several species of moss are bioindicators, meaning their presence, absence, or condition indicates the health of the environment.
Mosses play a critical role in creating habitats for numerous microfauna, such as tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets. Moss can be used as a natural insulation material in green building practices due to its excellent thermal properties.
The ancient Egyptians used moss for the mummification process. Its absorbent properties helped preserve the bodies.
In World War II, moss was used as wound dressing because of its antiseptic and absorbent properties.
Moss spores are so small and lightweight. They can travel across continents via the wind, spreading their species to new areas.
Scientists study moss to understand plant colonization on land, offering insights into the Earth's past ecosystems and climates.
Moss is being researched for biodegradable alternatives to synthetic materials in various industries, including packaging and textiles.
Some species of moss can live in extremely polluted waters and are being studied for use in bioremediation.
Moss can survive long periods of drought by entering a dormant state and then rehydrating and becoming green again within minutes of receiving moisture. In Japan, moss viewing gardens are a tradition that promotes slow and reflective lifestyles, with some moss species considered rare and highly desired.
Moss has no known toxicity to humans or wildlife, making it a safe addition to any garden or green space.
Peat moss, a type of moss, is extensively used in horticulture for its ability to retain moisture and aerate soil.
Moss absorbs pollutants from the atmosphere, including heavy metals, acting as a natural air purifier.
A square meter of moss can contain up to 25,000 creatures, supporting a diverse range of biodiversity.
Moss can grow on almost any surface, making it a pioneer species in hostile environments where other plants cannot survive.
Some cultures believe that moss brings luck and protection. It was often used to cover roofs and fill gaps in walls of homes for insulation and good fortune.
Despite their small size, mosses have a worldwide distribution, from Antarctic valleys to tropical rainforests. The resilient nature of moss allows it to recover from environmental stress more effectively than many other plant species.
Moss plays a significant role in the fairy and folklore traditions of many cultures, often associated with enchantment and the unseen world.
Some moss species can grow in extreme UV radiation levels, such as those found at high altitudes, and are studied for their DNA repair mechanisms.
NASA has studied moss for potential life support systems in space due to its efficient photosynthesis and oxygen production.
The oldest living moss specimen was discovered in Antarctica, estimated to be around 5,500 years old.
Moss cultivation for architectural and artistic purposes is growing, with living moss walls used for interior and exterior decor.
Moss has a calming effect on the mind, and studies show that areas with moss can significantly reduce stress and improve well-being. The simple beauty of moss, with its variety of textures and shades of green, can add depth and interest to any landscape design.
Through the process of photosynthesis, mosses contribute to the reduction of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, combating global warming.
Moss requires no fertilizers or pesticides to grow, making it an environmentally friendly choice for gardens and landscapes.
Discovering the hidden world of moss reveals the intricate and interconnected nature of life on our planet, showcasing the importance of conservation and respect for all forms of life.